Hello, hello. Am I audible? Am I visible? Okay. Not visible, actually audible only. तो आज का क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. लेट्स सी टुडेज क्वेश्चन. व्हाट्स द टुडेज क्वेश्चन सेज. तो हमने हैश मैप शुरू किया है. हैश मैप में हम कर रहे हैं ग्रिड एल्यूमिनेशन है. बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है. पहले ये वाला करते हैं. ठीक है. हार्ड क्वेश्चन है. हार्ड है. इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन इट्स हार्ड. तो क्वेश्चन देखते हैं सबसे पहले क्या कह रहा है. तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन हमको कह रहा है देयर इज अ 2D ग्रिड of size and cross and where each cell of this grid has a lamp that is initially turned off. ठीक है. आपके पास एक ग्रिड है जिसका हर सेल पे अभी एक बल्ब रखा हुआ है और अभी वो बंद है. ठीक है. यू आर गिवन अ 2D एरे ऑफ लैम्प स्टेशंस. आपको एक 2D एरे दी हुई है लैम्प जिसके अंदर रो आई और कॉलम आई इंडिकेट करता है जो आपकी ग्रिड के रो और कॉलम है. और इसमें क्या कहा है व्हेन अ लैंप इज टर्न ऑन. जब किसी लैंप को ऑन करते हैं वो अपना पूरा रो और पूरा कॉलम. व्हेन अ लैंप इज टर्न्ड ऑन it make its own row and its own column and all the diagonal of its diagonal that are anti-diagonals or its diagonal. It will illuminate those also. So you are also given a 2D array queries. So you also have given a 2D array queries which ask you for jth query. For every jth query it is asking it is illuminated or not. If it is illuminated you have to push an answer in your result which is 1. If it not, then 0. And if it is illuminated and a lamp is present there, after answering the jth query turn off the lamp at. Okay. If a lamp present there, so you have to return 1 if it is illuminated, and you have to make all adjacent lamps and its own lamp turn off if exist there. Okay. And if you remove any lamp the illuminated part like its own row, its own column and its own diagonal anti-diagonal will get unilluminated. So the illuminated decreases on that cells. So we have to return the answer array. Okay. तो एक बार देखते हैं क्या करना है. तो ये हमने एक एग्जांपल लिया है. बेसिक एग्जांपल है. बिल्कुल आसान एग्जांपल. तो लेट सपोज यहाँ पे एक लैंप रख दिया. तो ये 1 यूनिट 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 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 एंड 1 1. तो ये सब 1 यूनिट से इल्यूमिनेट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो अब हमको क्या कहा है क्वेरीज 2,0. तो ये 2,2 पे रखा हुआ था तो हमने यहाँ पे अपना लैंप रखा तो ये सब 1 1 से इल्यूमिनेट हो गया और ये खुद भी 1 से इल्यूमिनेट हो गया और यहाँ पे लैंप भी है. उसके बाद हमको कहा गया कि 2,2 पे चेक करो क्या इल्यूमिनेटेड है. हाँ 2,2 पे इल्यूमिनेटेड है और इल्यूमिनेटेड है तो वहाँ से लैंप हटा दो. वहाँ से लैंप हटा देते हैं. लैंप हटाया तो सब इसके ऑल डायगोनल्स की रोशनी खत्म होगी. यानी कि all its diagonals and all its neighbors, all its 8 neighbors, its rows, its all diagonal, anti-diagonal are getting unilluminated. Now nothing is present there. So it was present, so it is 1. And let's check 0, 2. Nothing is present, so 0. Nothing is present, 0, 0, 0. So this is the answer of this test case. So let's take another test case. Okay. Uh, let's pick any test case from here. Okay, let's pick this one. So we have 5 rows. So we rub this one. Unmark this. Okay. सो 0 0 पे एक प्रेजेंट है लैम्प, तो इसको ऐसे मार्क कर देते हैं और इल्यूमिनेशन शुरू कर देते हैं। ठीक है, illuminate. Now all its 8 neighbors are illuminated. All 8 full row column neighbors, and we have to place a 4 4 4 4 4. So there is also here. So it's get illuminated twice, 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 twice. Okay. And this is 1 1 1, and this is twice. This is 1 1 1, and this is also twice. Okay. Now we have given queries. Check 1 1. Is it eliminated? Yes, it is eliminated. So on 1, and now uh, remove the lamp. Remove the illumination from 1 1. Let's check what is saying here. You are also given a 2D array. For the ith query, illuminated or not. After answering the jet query, turn off the lamp at ION. But there is no lamp. See, there is no lamp at 1 1. There is no lamp at 1 1, so we can't turn off. Okay, and we also have said that turn off at lamp and 8 neighbor lamps if they exist. So let's check if there is any neighbor exist. We have given 1 1. Its neighbor, yes. Here we have a lamp, but here we don't have lamp. 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 No lamp, no lamp. So here we have a lamp. So let's turn off this lamp. If we turn off this lamp, this all illumination decreases. First we remove the illumination and the that get removed. Let's erase this. So this is also okay. This will also become 1, and this also become 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. So after, let's check again 1 1. Yes, it's again illuminated. It is illuminated. So 1. The answer is 1 1. So this is the basic thing that is asked in a question. First we have to check which where bulb is present and which is illuminated, because we have to return the illuminated at the end. Okay, let's solve this question. So what we have to do, we have to check which row and column is illuminated. For that we will make a map which will check which part of is illuminated or not. So let's make unordered map which is int comma int row. Similarly for column, similarly for a diagonal, similarly for a anti-diagonal. And we have to make a set also which will tell where the lamp is present. So unordered, let's copy paste. distance appear. Unordered set lamp. Okay. Lamps. For auto. Okay. Dynamic lamp set. For auto, every lamp of lamps int x equal to लैंप का जो लैंप की एक्स वैल्यू है तो जो लैंप की वाई वैल्यू है ओके so row of exit row that full row is illuminated if it was also then illumination increase and full column also get illuminated and full your diagonal. How we wrote diagonal? Okay, so diagonal are two, anti-diagonal and diagonal. So we can see the diagonal, every diagonal is x plus y, right? X plus y is always same. For your diagonal, we wrote x minus y. Okay, how? How we write x minus y? Let's see. Let's see. We are picking. Let's suppose we have a lamp here. So we are watching this. We are watching this. Wait. So we are watching this thing. So what is this? This is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1. This is 2 comma 0 or 0 comma 2. Wait. This is 0 comma 2. 2 comma 0. This is 3 comma 1. And what is this? 4 comma 2. So the difference is always same. When we move the diagonal, the difference is always same. Okay. Oh, pick this also. The difference will remain same. The 1 minus 2. We write x minus y. This 1 minus 2. Okay, and this is what? 2 minus 3. So you can this is what? 3 minus 4. So the diagonals are getting numbered itself, right? If we pick this one, okay. So what diagonal is this? 0th. What diagonal is this? Minus 1th. What diagonal is this? Minus 2th. What diagonal is this? Plus 1. What diagonal is this? Plus 2. Similarly ahead when you go ahead. Okay. Uh, we see for anti-diagonal. So when we see like this and this and this. So what's there? If we write x plus y, is it same? Like 101, 101, 202, 111, I mean 112, and this is 202. So in anti-diagonal, you have to write x plus y, and in diagonal, you have to write x minus y. Okay. So for anti-diagonal, you have to write x plus y plus this. So everything like which is x plus y, which give that sum. So every row, column, cell, every cell become illuminated. Okay, and we also, if we have a lamp, also the lamp get wait, here's the name, lamp set commands. Noted. Now we have to create a vector of directions, vector in directions. What kind of directions? So when you check any query, you have to see its eight neighbors. So when you check any query, you have to see its eight neighbors. That's why we are making directions. Uh, okay, let me bring direction. The directions are in pair. Okay, so you will check that cell that is given in query. You check its bottom, you check its upper cell, you check its right cell, you check its uh, anti-diagonal one, you check its diagonal one and left one, and diagonal again, and the right diagonal, left diagonal. Similarly, all, all eight diagonals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and you have to give answer also to vector int result. Okay, so for photo queue of every queries, let's again int x equal to q of 0 and y equal to q of 1. We have to check is it illuminated or not. Okay, how we check? How we check it is illuminated or not? We have to check if mp dot count x is greater than 0 or not, right? If it's present in any row or it's present in any column or it's present in any diagonal, right? Diagonal is x minus y at diagonal, or it's present in any anti-diagonal. If any cell is illuminated, it must be sure whether its row is illuminated. There is no gap between two illuminations, right? There is no gap between two illuminations if its neighbors are not out of range. So if any diagonal part is illuminated, its other diagonal is also illuminated. So anti x plus y. If it exists, so you have to result dot push that one. Okay, and now you have to check its diagonals. If it's not illuminated, you also have to check its diagonals. Let's read the question. After answering jth query, whether it's 0 or 1, you have to check its diagonals. So for probability of directions, 8 new x equal to x plus d of 0. Wait, d dot first because it's a pair. Similarly for the yth one, second. Okay, now we have to check if any lamp present there or not. If lamp set dot count mx comma ny, if it is, so first of all you have to unilluminate all its row, column and diagonal. So let's pick this and put it here. So this is why. So we inserted and we have to write and place it here, here, and make it minus minus. If a lamp present there, obviously its row and columns are not zero. Okay, and it's erase. Okay, and if they become zero, we can erase them also. Is it important to us? I don't think. It's in else condition. What will we do if the cell is not illuminated? We will push back zero, and finally we return the result. I don't think we have to do anything else in this. We will check one more condition, that when we are checking our query, if it's any neighbor get out of range, we will continue. We will not check that. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we need anything more in this. This is row where we wrote po. This is row. There is no po. It's the row. Unordered. What's the problem? I made a set. Where's the problem? Okay, so it's not possible to form a pair. We have to write a function also. We will make a set. So many mistakes. Finally. Gotcha. Fuck. What's the error? Okay, here we are using set, and if something is already present in set, we want insert. Here we have 2,5. Here we are getting multiple illuminations for column 3. Okay, if something is already present, we want check that thing again. See, 4 2 and 4 2 is twice. Should get eliminated twice. We don't want that. They already said us. Okay, that was not easy. Like you have to make multiple map. You have to think about x plus y, x minus y if you want to solve it in short code, and you have to check here also this condition. This is basic condition. Everyone can use this. Okay, so that was not an easy. That's kind of medium to hard level problem. But in interview, everything is hard. Okay, let's end this session. Bye bye.